Hey guys, it's Josh with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to show you our new 2026 Bennington 24 MSB. This is a beautiful boat in Gemini black with the anthracite accent panel. This boat also has the blackout Lux package, which gives this super sleek matte black look to all of the aluminum on the boat. We've got our integrated dock and nav lights here. We've got our forward pop-up cleats. We also have them there at the stern of the boat. This boat is a tritoon with the SPS package. Let's walk around to the back. We can look at a little bit more. Guys, we're here at the stern of the boat, and there's a lot of great features to go over. This boat has the extended aft deck, so it gives a lot of room whenever you're hanging out in the water. We also have our lily pad ladder over here, which is super easy to retrieve and deploy. Makes it real easy to get in and out of the boat. We have our ski tow bar, and this boat is equipped with our 250 horsepower Mercury V8. Let's hop aboard and look inside. Hey guys, we're inside the 2026 Bennington 24 MSB. As we look here in the bow, we've got our forward chase lounges. Super comfortable, really nice diamond detail in the stitching. We've got our flip down armrest on both sides. Lots of storage up underneath these seats. These are the roto molded seat bases, so we have all of our water channeling gutters to put that water overboard if it does rain on you when you're out there on the water. We've got our removable table here in the center line. We've got a lot of cup holders and some extra storage, as well as a little USB charger there tucked away in the backrest area. This has a Rockford Fosgate audio system in it, so we've got our Rockford Fosgate head unit as well as our speakers scattered around the boat. Here at the helm, we've got our raised helm, super comfortable captain's chair. We've got our tilt steering wheel, our soft touch buttons for all of our accessories. We've got our Vivid UX screen here right up on the dash so you can see all of your running stats. There's also a nice little phone charger tucked away so your phone stays out of the sun. This helm here has a lot of great features with some cubby holes tucked away so you can store some accessories. Here on the back of this one, if you can see it, we've got a nice little hideaway box that locks if you want to go out to eat while you're out there on the water. We've got our co-captain's chair right here. And if we look up here behind the seating up front, we've got our roll-out trash can, as well as a flip-up tabletop. And we've also got our dog bowls down here if you have a dog and you want to take him out there on the water with you. Here in the back, we've got our convertible swing-back seating. We've got a great bench seat, which is awesome for entertaining here in the cockpit. But if you want to sit out at the sandbar and lay out in the sun, this also can go to multiple positions. You can face rearward, or if you want to pick up on it and drop it down, you can convert this whole area to a nice sun pad. We also have some flip-up backrests here, so you can have this folded up in the center and have seating both directions. If we walk around here to the back, you can see we also have this great feature, which I'll show you in the extended position, but this telescoping keeper rail. So if you wanted to ride back here facing this way, you can pull this thing up. There's a couple pins that go along the outside, and this whole thing pulls up and keeps you safe and tucked away. Guys, this also is equipped with a 10-foot manual bimini top to give you lots of shade up under the boat. If you guys want to come take a look at it, or you have any questions, give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom.